Happy Diwali, and I hope everyone had an auspicious and blessed day. This is the first Diwali that Giovanna and myself have spent in Trinidad in 2 years. And that of course is because of the pandemic. And it's really good to be back home amongst family to celebrate Diwali again. Now of course this year, because of the pandemic and other things, we have somewhat of a quiet Diwali this time around, but still it is way more festive than what we did in Jamaica for the past 2 years. You guys could find those videos in the description below. So Diwali is the celebration of good over evil, light over darkness, based on the story of Lord Ram after defeating the forces of Ravan, returning home. And that was the first Diwali day. There are a lot of festivities in Trinidad based around this tradition, and it is a public holiday in Trinidad and Tobago. So what do we do for Diwali? Now Diwali in Trinidad is a season. It is not just one day. Long before the day itself, you start to clean and whatnot. It is taught in schools and it is part of our culture. It is ingrained in the entire country. So much so that one of my nieces had a project where she had to create a fashion show, and she got all of her cousins to dress up in their Indian wear. Day itself, there is so much activity, from all of the different types of cooking to eat on the day, preparing parasal to offer, all the different sweets. There's just so much to do on the day itself. Let's take a look at the different types of food that we have. You will forgive us. We recorded this when everyone ate, so there are 1 or 2 dishes that is almost done. And we're going to go over some of our food we cooked today. We have Veshi and Sydney telling us what the food is. So, what is this first thing here?
Chana.
Chana and aloo. Sahina to curry. Look at and pumpkin. That is supposed to be soya chunks. And what is this? Anchar. But what it's made with?
Mango.
It's mango, and that is quite interesting. Other guys don't know that you can actually cook mango, but yes, this is anchar. Chutney, nice. And sweet rice. Good. And what's inside this big box here? Roti. This is paratha, bus up shot roti. Nice. And to prepare for the prayers itself on the day, we have to collect flowers and different types of plants for offering and whatnot. So it is a lot that goes into it. So we went about and we got flowers from different areas around the village to prepare for the prayers on Diwali day itself. So we're here, we're picking palm leaf for our prayers later. This is it. Sun is here on the tree. Flowers for prayers later? Okay.
Look one right then by one day.
And when everything is done and prepared, we have the actual prayers or hawan on the day itself. Then of course, we get down to what everyone knows about Diwali, the lighting of the deyas. But we have to prepare the deyas themselves by soaking them in water so the oil doesn't soak in. Then we have to lay it out, we have to fill it with oil and light the deyas itself. And Diwali is a big deal for kids too, you know, seeing all the lights and everything. And it's very traditional to have starlight for the children and fun snaps. So we also got into that. But But in general, it is just a day to enjoy with your family, and it is a great part of keeping up our culture here in Trinidad and Tobago, ensuring that we pass on these traditions to the next generation. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of us celebrating Diwali in 2021. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye.